Public art is just art. It happens to be in a public space. Art reflects our culture, but it also guides our culture and is embedded in our culture. It challenges what we think, the ways we interact. It challenges how we experience the world. Larry Bell's work is pretty telling in that sense. At its heart, Larry Bell's work is about light. It's not about glass. The glass structures are deceptively simple, but the light is richly complex. And so Larry Bell's work invites us to think about something that we take for granted.
I don't think of myself as selling my art. I think of myself as selling the evidence of what I do. I follow the work, that's been the story of my life. Invent something and then fix it up a little bit, and then that lesson becomes the next step. The decisions were all spontaneous and improvisational and basically intuitive, so the work determines how it looks. I do my things, and if I can find a place to put them, I'm very pleased.
You think about Hunt Library 10 years ago, instead of building a traditional library, NC State thought about, what are we? The library is a reflection of the best of what NC State is. And I think the Larry Bell project is too. Larry Bell works in those same ways. He's interested in technology and design and space and what that means, the impact of art. It's really a great example of what public art can be.
I think it's imperative that we assemble the great voices of our time, the artist voices among others, to be present in our lives and to be able to engage someone of the lifetime importance of Larry Bell and to bring it to the campus is like, wow. So I feel fortunate to be able to work with him and to bring this project to full life.